Everybody needs good neighbors. Just a friendly wave each morning helps to make a better day.
Every day I used to watch this your premises, but I was wondering it was not very regular kind of thing. But I see some of the plants, planted on the roof, but I was not sure what the things are happening inside.
Neighbors need to get to know each other. Next door is only a footstep away.
I think first of all no one was taking it because of the triangle. People they don't go for the triangle. They want to look at the things what they are selling there. Some plants and all they have put. So I think it is flourishing now. Flourishing means in business. People will come to know that what type of things they are doing and all. For the decoration of the terrace and all.
Neighbors, everybody needs good neighbors with a little understanding. You can find the perfect blend.
It's a structure with something strange. Some curtains are hanging and some plants are thing. That is what you see. We have no interaction with them. We just observe them. That's all.
Know each other. Next door is only a footstep away.
Started by an expat who wanted to create a platform for artists and creative artists, any form of art basically.
Artists do come there.
Initially I used to wonder what it is because it was just like made out of these poles.
Building, Japanese building, it's a good building.
Infrastructurally it's not very expensive. So you use very simple material to create the actual place. So I used to wonder what it was and people used to give me different stories about it.
I thought might be they're having some like a beer or the pub. I thought it's that.
You saw a restaurant over there. Somebody said that it.
मेरे को बाहर से देखने के टाइम टेम्पल सर का दिख रहा है.
यहाँ बहुत अच्छा है जगह देखने को. Like a zoo. ये तो like a zoo.
So those are the things that I heard about.
I do wonder what this building is and why it's constructed like that. Can you tell me what is it about?
The name of the place is called Jaga, kind of means space, and it's a space for artists, anybody who wants to create something.
Something creativity.
Yeah, it's a creative common ground.
Every time we pass by to Food World, we are so interested to see as to what is in. Creative place, very different, compared to the other places. So we were very interested to go and have a look as to what it was inside. But none of us had the time because we work here for the salon and spa and we're always busy.
You all are into beauty business, which is also quite creative.
Yeah. We work on making people beautiful. So
Yes.
we are always busy.
That's one common ground, beauty.
Yeah.
Everybody needs good neighbors.
I don't know much about Jaga. I've just seen it from the outside, but I hear all the music and there's lots of activity going on in the evenings. Firstly, I didn't know whether I was allowed inside, but it was only 2 days back that somebody invited me over and said come, and so I told her that I would go tomorrow and see what it's like, because since they're closing down.
I see a lot of buildings, a lot of things.
but this is different. Infrastructure is there. So whenever we pass from there, we can't see other building. We see the always Jaga, Jaga, Jaga. We never forget that. If you move from here, no problem, but we can't forget Jaga.
Everybody needs good neighbors. Just a friendly wave each morning.
एक बार उन्होंने अवार्ड फंक्शन के लिए हम सबको बुलाया था, जिसमें कोई भी काम करता हो, स्वीपर हो, उनके सब अवार्ड देने के लिए, तो उस टाइम गया था। हाँ, हमारे कस्टमर से काफ़ी लोग आते हैं स्टेशनरी आइटम्स वगैरह लेने के लिए। एरिया में एक अच्छा जगह नाम का अच्छा जगह था, वो एक लैंडमार्क भी था। अभी केश रोड मूव हो रहा है।
This is something different that you guys are doing out here. I really wanted to visit the place quite some time, but my cousins do visit the place, my teenage cousin brothers, and I think this is something different, and I think that you guys should stay in our area and not move out.
जगह जब इधर था हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगता था। सब किधर से बहुत आदमी लोग आते थे, फ्रॉम आउटसाइड सभी आते थे। कभी कभी अच्छा फंक्शन चल रहा था, म्यूजिकल लाइट्स, सम अदर थिंग्स। इट्स गुड प्लेस। देन फॉरेनर्स कम, फोटोग्राफी वर्कशॉप गोज ऑन हियर समटाइम। इट्स गुड, जगह इज गुड।
It's very different from what I have ever seen. I would have loved to be part of Jaga. I see a lot of things happening, but I have never inquired. That's the thing.
This curiosity is not just enough, and main thing what they require is the place has to be more open. You have to be more accessible.
Maybe my work schedule doesn't let me to.
So the guys over there are good. You have Freeman, you have the lady who's running the place and everything. That's all good itself. For us, we get a lot of customers through them. But the main thing is what message they're planning, they're trying to convey, we really don't know. Once or twice I must have spoken to them. So they said that they set up a mobile tower in some remote village in northeast or something like that. They were speaking about that. But here what exactly they're doing I really don't know. Once they put up pictures, snaps all around on the hockey club wall, hockey stadium right opposite, that put it up. That's about it, nothing else.
60 minutes from 60 minutes to 80 minutes में फोटोग्राफी देखते गए इवनिंग टाइम। फोटोग्राफी तो बहुत अच्छा था, जो वॉल पे लगा हुआ था फोटोग्राफी अच्छा था।
But what message they are planning to convey or something, no, is absolutely we don't know any head or tail about it.
मगर वो शिवाजी नगर का जो फोटो था और मार्केट का जो फोटो था तो सभी हम लोग नोटिस भी नहीं कर सकता, मगर हम लोग नॉन पर्सन से लोकल पर्सन है, हम लोग को मालूम है शिवाजी नगर है और सिटी मार्केट सब जो छोटा छोटा गली लेन्स, दूसरा सब चीज़ को लगता है वो बाहर का है, मगर फोटोग्राफी में उस उतना अच्छा बना है कि फोटोग्राफी मस्त है, अच्छा है।
They're moving somewhere else close by.
Double road.
Yeah, double road. Sad about that. It was a nice place to have as a neighbor, you know.
When you have foreigners coming in, we Indians are very, you know, when you see a foreigner, they always look at them at a curious point of view.
So I've seen a lot of foreigners there. That's the main thing I've seen there.
So first thing is make them accessible. Then people will come forward to you. Nothing else. This basic approach. People, they want warmth. These people are warm. Everything they're there. But that particular thing, you know, they are foreigners. They'll always be foreigners. That's how it is.
Sure. I mean, I think I'm not very objective about it because it's my friends who have it. So, but it's a great space. It's you know, it's nice. I think it's definitely provides something that was missing in Bangalore, and it's a little. I mean, it's interesting. It's a little scary if you're carrying a child around with you on it, but in terms of having a place for young artists to show or international shows, I mean, it's the only place really in Bangalore that provides that kind of opportunity. So it's providing a great service, I think.
इधर घूम रहे तेरे थोड़ी तो ऐसे जैसे शादी के लिए रेडी हो रहा है
पिता ड्रिंक्स कंप्यूटर चलाता होता है
Next door is only a footstep away.
कस्टमर डेली आता है ओनली पार्सल वो कस्टमर आता है उसका वो मन है लेकिन वो लोग बुलाता है ना इसलिए नहीं जा रहा
वो लोग बुलाए नहीं
बुलाए नहीं
That's when good neighbors become good friends. That's when good neighbors become good friends.
You want to come in from the other side?
Will be there.